Right, over there. Good evening all, and so today we are starting from speed revision. Nah? So first of all, we are going to do speed revision session, right? Then we move on to the theory part, right? Which is from binomial expressions. Right? So do this. There are 5 questions, 6 questions. Right? So do this. I will give you like 5 minutes to complete, right? Speed revision 7. Do it fast. Then I will discuss. Then let's move to the next session. Alright. Once you have done, you can send me D also, but I will give you 5 minutes. Okay. Do it fast. So I think it will be better. Oh yes, time's up. Now I am going to discuss, right? Now focus on the board, right? So I am going to discuss this speed revision 7 now. So first of all, today I plan to do this speed revision session first, then we are going to move to the binomial expression thing, right? So that's our ongoing lesson, right? So we have a lot more work to do in binomial expression as well, right? It's a nice lesson. Right, okay. So this is from perimeter lesson. This is from square root lesson that we have already finished, right? And this is from also this kind of a binomial expression, but yes, you have to use your grade 9 knowledge as well to do this one. Right? Factorization as well. Right. So find the perimeter of a sector sector where radius equals 10.5 centimeters and theta. You know what is theta? Theta is angle at the center. R is radius. So you need to be familiar with those two words. And also most of importantly this sector. Sector you know, right? Sector, not hector, but sector, right? So the sector, it is called something like this, right? Sector, right? So sector is bounded with an arc length, right? So this is called an arc and 2 radii, and here you have angle at the center, which is theta, right? Theta 2 radii plus arc length, which is arc, right? It is called a sector, right? So you already know that, and I have given it in the table, right? Right. So theta equals 60, radius is equal to 10.5. So we have to find the perimeter. So we can write perimeter equals, you know the arc length, how to find the arc length, plus 2 radii is equal to the perimeter of a sector. Perimeter of a sector. So arc length. Theta divided by 360, which is the portion of the circle. Theta means already you know. They have given 60 divided by 360, right? And 25R. 25 means 20, 2 upon 7. Ready? 10.5. So you know an additional way to write 10.5, right? In a different way, so that it will help us to simplify easily. 10.5 can be written down as 21 upon 2, right? I think Amina sent me the answer when we were doing the perimeter, right? If I am correct. Right? When I am asking how to write 10.5 in a different way, right? So Amina gave me the answer, right? If I am correct, my number is correct, right? 22 upon 7, right? The radius will be 10.5. So I can write down this 10.5 like 21 upon 2, right? So plus 2r. 2 times r means 2 times radius, 21 upon 2 again. Very nice. So you have to simplify it. So I will use another pen, right, to cut down 0 to 0, 6 times 1, 6 times 6, right? 7 times 1, 7 times 3, 2 times 1, 2 times 11, 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 2 times 1, 2 times 1. So 11 in the numerator and all the others are 1, right? So here 2 times 1, 2 times 1, so done, right? Equal mark. Here you have 11 plus 21. So all of these lengths are in centimeters, equal mark. So your answer should be 32 centimeters for the first part, right? Okay. So here, find the square root of 2.47, which is a decimal number, right? So up to one decimal place. Up to one decimal place. Most importantly, you might use the division method for this one. If they are asking especially, right, use approximation method, you have to use. Otherwise, it would be better if you can use what? The division method. Right? So the here up to one decimal place, you have to find up to one decimal place. So how we are going to find up to one decimal place? First of all, initially you have to find the value up to two decimal places. Right? Up to two decimal places. Then you have to round it off to one decimal, right? So here what I am going to do is, right? So I will remove this part, right? So 2.47, right? So first of all, I need to couple it, right? Group it, right? If you can remember, group it. So if I group this 2.47 to this side already, I have two, right? In the whole number part, and in the decimal places, right? 47 already it is coupled, right? So 2.47 divided by right here you have 2. So what would be the perfect square number that you can ideally put here? That is 1. So 1 can be obtained 1 times 1, 1, right? Get the subtraction 2 minus 1 equals 1, right? So double this one. So here you will be having 2, right? Here you have 47, right? 47. So take it down so that you have 147, right? Then what would be the perfect number that you can put here? What would be the ideal number, right? So 26 times 6, 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 2 to no. So you will be having 5, right? So let's put 5. So here you have to continue up with the number 5. Sorry, decimal point. So 5 into 25. 125, right? And get the subtraction, so you will get 22, right? Yes. So here initially you have to find for up to one decimal places, right? So so you have to continue up for another decimal place, so that you have to take another two zeros, so take it down here, right? So then you have 15, double it, 30. So this is 300 something, right? So this is 22, that means 2200 something. So if you put 7 here, it is already yes, 7 times 3, 21. It is less than this, so I will put 7. Right? 7 times this one. 7 times this one means 7 times 7, 21. Right? 7 times 3. Sorry, 7 times 7, 49. Right? Sorry, 49. 7 times 3, 21. Super. Get the subtraction, it will give you like 10, 9, 9, 51, right? So this should be a remainder and this should be a answer, right? Not the final answer, but the answer before the final answer. 2.47 is your number. So you have to find the square root of this one, right? Approximately it is equal to 1.57. 1.57, correct? So now you are going to make sure that you are going to round it off to up to one decimal places. Already you have two decimal places, so that you are going to remove your second decimal place, which is 7, right? So this is already greater than 5, right? Greater than 5. If it is greater than 5, as I explained in few weeks ago, right? So you have to add 1 to the previous decimal place for the first decimal place and eliminate this, right? Very easily. So this becomes 1.6. So this should be your answer. Yeah? Right, simplify. Right, what is it? Equal mark, sorry. Equal mark So first of all, we have simplified the numerators and the denominators of these two. Right. So nice. 3 times 1, 3 times 1, 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So you have half. Half plus half. You know the answer. Right. Half plus half. Right. Why did I give you this thing? Sometimes you might overthink about these things. How to do this? So you need to remove your overthinking when you are doing this kind of simple question, right? So don't do overthinking, right? These things are very easy. Half plus half is one, right? This one. Can anyone remember this type of things? If you participate to my paper class, and what what is this? What is this? What is this thing? Can anyone tell me? Tell me. What is this? Anyone? Tell me. Then what thing? Already I have written down. No one? Erosion? What was that? What is this thing? I have made this easier, guys. I'll make a patta easy. Correct? Right, okay. So I will do. So this is an square term, right? So this is an square term, right? Already this is an square term, so that you have to make sure that you have this one as a square term as well. Minus 1 square. If you use the knowledge of factorization, so you can directly identify this is right difference of two squares. So you are going to use this. Then so we have to done this one. We have to do this one. So so this is 3x 1 3x 1, right? Negative positive. That is difference of two squares. Some of you guys might know, but no one told. Right. So get the multiplication of these two. So you will end up with the final answer. Right? So 3x into 3x, 9x square, right? 9x square. So here you have positive 3x, then negative 3x, then negative into positive negative 1. Cancel out. And you will end up with final answer of the lengths, right? 9x squared minus 1. Right? This is it. And this should be a final answer. So that one solved. So if you want to solve that, you need to find the value of x, or you need to isolate x on your left hand side, right? So by looking at this one, how you are going to do? At once you need to remember or memorize cross multiplication. Right? Cross multiplication to this side and this side. Cross multiplication. Right? So I'm going to apply that. 5 times x plus 3 equals 4 times 2x minus 3. Right? So remove the brackets. 5 times 6, 5x. Positive. 5 times 3, 15. Equals positive. 4 times 2, 8. 8x. Positive into negative. 4 times 3, 2. Right? Alright. So I will take this negative 8, positive 8 into this side. It becomes automatically negative 8. This 15, I will take this to my right hand side. It will automatically becomes negative 15. So I will do those two steps by using one step. right? At once I will exchange the terms, right? 5x minus 8x equals 15 goes to that side, minus 15 minus 12, right? Here, 5 minus 8 minus 3x minus 15 minus 12. Minus 15 minus 12, same numbers, ne? Same directed numbers, same directed numbers. So same direct you have to go, then add, put the side. Minus minus, right? And 15 plus 12 will give you 27. The sign is same, ne? Minus 5. So negative, 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 negative 20. So if you want to obtain the answer in for x, you have to divide both sides by negative 3. Alright? Negative divided by negative, positive. 3 times 1, 3 times 1. Negative divided by negative, positive. 27 divided by 3. X equals 9. Alright? Never. 6 turn. Laws of Indies. Picture on apple divided by apple. Answer is what? 1. By looking at this one, at once you can say, tell that wait, this is something 2 divided by 2. 2. 2 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. Yeah. At once you can write down the answer. Alright? If you use the laws of indices, how are they correct? How we are going to do that? Right, this one can be written down as x negative 5 divided by x negative 5. මේකට කියනවා පුතා වවාගෙන කනවා කියලා. මේකට කියනවා මොකද්ද? වවාගෙන කෑම. මේ තියෙන direct answer, right? X to the power negative 5 divided by x to the power negative 5. The answer will be 1, right? Right? So definitely this is 1. Now we are going to වවාගෙන කන්න. Right? Right. So this is like 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. Sorry, 3 divided by 3. Same number divided by same number. 1. Right? Now, here, if we use the theories like professors, we are going to underline this. Right? X minus 5 divided by x minus 5. If we want to use loss of indices, how we are going to do this? The base is same, right? And the indices are like this, m and n, right? So you can write down this one, a to the power m minus n. Right? You can write it like that as well. Or else, how we are going to make this negative power, a to the power minus m, right? A to the power minus m. How we are going to convert it into a positive power? Take the reciprocal. A to the power n. If you take the reciprocal of this, you will end up in the positive power. Right? So you can either use this one or either use this one. Right? If you use this, these are negative powers, right? Negative 5, negative 5, right? Same base, x minus 5 minus here minus 5. This is like x to the power a, x to the power b, a to the power m, a to the power n, a minus b. A means minus 5, b means also minus 5. So negative minus negative 5, right? So you can simplify this one. Negative into negative, positive. Positive stuff. Remember? Negative 5, positive 5, 0. X to the power 0. What is the value of x to the power 0? Can anyone tell me? X to the power 0.
One.
Boleh? Nilainya apa?
1.
Super, 1. Even. Right. So this is the end of the discussion of speed revision 7. So I have done it earlier today. Right. Okay.